Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes .NET Framework Unhandled exception not enough space on the disk complete fix. First method is delete all temporary files and folders. Second method is disk cleanup. Third method is disk quota. Fourth method is turn off and turn on again. Fifth method is repair .NET Framework. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.